Hello children. Yes, I welcome you all to our English class. Today we are going to see part 3 in English lesson 4, My Friend and I. Let's start the class. In last session we have discussed about the conjunction, that is linking words and are using this look deep activity. I hope you have completed this. Yes. Once again recall the linking words. The linking word or means that a choice can be made between two options. So and means both, or means a choice can be made between two options. It can be used to combine two sentences to indicate a choice. And means I said you cannot make any choice, but or means you can make a choice between two options. Okay, so you can combine two sentences using the linking word or also. For example, Rohan can go to the beach in the evening. Rohan can go to the park in the evening. Both the place he can't be there. Am I right? Any one place only he has to choose. So here comes a choice. So we connect these two sentences using the linking word or. Rohan can go to the beach or to the park in the evening. Same way, she cannot drink tea and coffee at the same time. Any one choice she has to make. So here comes Amala can drink tea, Amala can drink coffee. How can we connect these two sentences? Using the linking word or. Amala can drink tea or coffee. Children, whenever you connect two sentences, keep it in mind, no word should be repeated. You should write each word only one time. Okay? Yes. So this is another example. Sheila can go to Kerala for her holidays. Sheila can go to Goa for her holidays. She can go any one place at the same time. Am I right? So we are connecting these two sentences using or. She can go both the place, but not at the same time. She can be in one place only. So here comes a choice. First she can go to Kerala, then she can go to Goa. Okay? Yes, I hope you have completed these activities. Let's move to the next one. Watch out activity. What's the activity name? Watch out. Here, whenever you see watch out activity, you have to keep it in mind. There will be an important note you will be getting from the activity. Okay, read what Ajay has to say about his friends. Read what Ajay has to say about his friends. So here comes a passage. In this passage we are going to know what Ajay wants to tell about his friends. First read the passage, then we do the activity. Arun, Arjun and I are friends. Arun, Arjun and I are friends. I like Arun and Arjun very much. I like Arun and Arjun very much. They come to my house to play. They come to my house to play. Sometimes my mother or my father also plays with us. Sometimes my mother or my father also plays with us. This is the paragraph. I hope you understood. So now let's see what should we do. Circle the action words in the sentences. Underline the linking words. So first we are going to circle the action word. Let's see what are all the action word given here. Arun, Arjun and I are friends. Is there any action word here? No. Okay. I like Arun and Arjun very much. Here any action word is there? Yes, there is an action word. What is it? Like. Like is an action word. So we have to circle. Very good. They come to my house to play. Is there any action word in this sentence? Yes. Come is one action word. And here play is another action word. Okay? Sometimes my mother or my father also plays with us. Here any action word is there? Yes, place is, and one more time an action word. I hope you all circled. Okay, now let's identify the linking word and underline. Okay, what are all the linking word in these sentences? Arun, Arjun and I are friends. Is there any linking word in this sentence? Yes, and is a linking word. I like Arun and Arjun very much. Is there any action word in this sentence? Yes, and and. They come to my house to play. Is there any action word? No. Sometimes my mother or my father also plays with us. Now is there any action word in the sentence? Yes, very good. R, O, R, R. So and, and O, R, R are the two action words present in this paragraph. Am I right? Yes, I hope you have completed this. Let's move to the next one. Observe that we use the singular form of the action words place when we indicate choices using R. So I told you already, R means any one choice you have to make. So obviously it becomes singular. R means singular. So we are writing the action word in singular form using yes. We use the plural form of the action word like come when we join words or sentences using and. So when you notice this, and means plural. So we should make the action word in plural form. We should not add yes with the action word when you are writing in plural form. Okay, that is the note we are getting from this watch out activity. I hope you all understood. Let's do the companion activity 4B. Words that join sentences. So words that join sentences is called what? Yes, linking word, otherwise called as conjunctions. Complete the following sentences using and or are correctly. So we are going to write and or are in the given dash, but we should write properly. We should check the action word whether it is given in singular or plural form, and we should check the choices. We should check the sentence. Okay, let's start. Red dash orange are both colors. Yes, here comes a clue word both. Here comes a clue word both. And also are, are means plural. So what should we write in the dash? And. Okay, yes, we can use a pen dash a pencil. Very good. We can write pen or pencil. Here you can write and also. That's also right because no singular or plural is mentioned here. Okay, you can use and also. No issues. Is your birthday today dash tomorrow? Is your birthday today dash tomorrow? Birthday will be in any one day, either today or tomorrow only, no. So here comes a choice. We are writing R in the dash. We can take a bus dash a train. Can we travel in both at the same time? No, we can't travel. We can travel in one vehicle only. Am I right? So bus. Very good. Bus or a train. Put on your shoes dash socks. Yes, whenever we put shoe, we use socks. That's both can be used at the same time. So, and and. I hope you all understood. Let's move to the next one. Sixth sentence. Will you have a glass of water dash juice? Can we drink both at the same time? No, here comes a choice. So, water or juice. Kanishk is a good singer dash dancer. He can be both, am I right? But we can write and or are. If we are in doubt, we can make a choice. If we are sure means we can write and and. Jenny is a polite dash friendly girl. Yes, she can be both. She can be polite and she can be friendly. So, and, A-N-D, and. You can come to my house on Tuesday dash Wednesday. They have marked both. So, what will come? And or. Both you can write. She can come both the days. Am I right? She can come on Tuesday and also Wednesday. She can come Tuesday or Wednesday. Both are correct. Crocodiles can swim dash walk. Crocodiles can swim and walk. This is a fact. Okay. I hope you have completed this activity. Let's move to the next one. Combine the sentences using the correct linking words. Write them in the blanks. So, children, here we are going to combine the two sentences using the linking words. First of all, read the sentence and identify which linking word will come, whether the option can be made or not, and whether we are going to choose both. Like that you have to think and then write. Okay, let's start reading the sentences first. I do not like cheese. I do not like butter. So here no choice is there. Here he does not like cheese as well as butter. He does not like both. So I do not like cheese and butter. When you compare these two sentences with the answer, you can identify no word is repeated 2 times. Can you identify? Here I comes 2 times, but I have written only 1 time. So like that you have to compare 2 sentences and write only 1 time each words. Okay, each word should be written only 1 time. Don't repeat any word whenever you combine 2 sentences. Okay, second one. I am going to meet my aunt. I am going to meet my cousins. So the answer will be I am going to meet. It is repeated 2 times. I am going to meet is repeated for 2 times. So I have written here I am going to meet only 1 time. Then my aunt and my cousins. Yes? I hope you all understood. Let's move to the next sentence. The stars twinkled. The stars dazzled. The same way. Stars twinkled and dazzled. I can eat idlis, you can eat dosa. So you can eat idli and dosa, both also you can eat, no issue. So I have written and. No problem with combining these two. Am I right? Okay. Ramesh is writing in his notebook. Ramesh is drawing in his notebook. Writing or drawing in his notebook. Am I right? So we can't identify which work is he doing. Okay, we are getting a choice whether he is writing or drawing. Next one. You can have tea, you can have coffee. So we can drink any one at the same time. Am I right? So a choice can be made. You can have tea or coffee. Next one. We can play basketball, we can play football. Any one at the same time. So or we can play basketball or football. Next one. We can go for a walk in the morning. We can go for a run in the morning. So in the morning you can do any one or both. Any one at the same time. At the same time can you run and walk? No, any one. Either you can walk or you can run in the morning. Next one. You can use my jacket. So here 2 options has been given. You can use my sweater. This is the second sentence. So you can use any one. Okay. Here comes a choice. So you can use my jacket or my sweater. 10th one. You can watch the movie today. You can watch the movie tomorrow. Most of the time we will not watch the same movie today and tomorrow. Am I right? We'll get bored. So I have given here choice. If you want to make it as both, means you can write. You can watch the movie today and tomorrow. Both the days you can watch. That's your wish. But here I have given a choice. Okay. Whenever you write or in the sentences, to combine 2 sentences, it gives choices. You have to choose any one. 4D activity. Use is or are suitably for each sentence. One has been done for you. So we have to use either is or are. How can we use that? Yes, I'll tell you. Is indicates singular. Is indicates singular. Are means plural. So from this, what are you getting? Yes, whenever you use are, you can use is, because there is a choice. Singular. Okay, whenever you use and, A and D, and you can use are, because that obviously a plural. Okay, is means are, are will come along with and. Okay, let's see the example sentence. My mother and my father are the best. So here comes no choice. Both the person we are considering, both people we are considering. So and means what? Plural. Obviously we are writing are in the sentence. If my mother or my father is the best, so my mother or my father is the best. That is the correct answer. Okay. Ria and Rema dash twins. Can you identify the clue? Yes, A and D and comes. So what should we write here? A-R-E, are. Are indicates plural. The dog or the cat dash sleeping. Very good. The clue is here. Look at the sentence. O-R-R. R means singular. So is. The dog or the cat is sleeping. Vidya and Priya dash playing. Here comes and. So what will come? Are, plural. The boy and his friend dash eating. And means what? Are, A-R-E, are. The book or the pen in the drawer. Is. The book or the pen is in the drawer. Mike and Eamon dash waiting for you. Are waiting for you. No choices here. Vishal or Sahil dash at the door. So are means choice. Any one person. Singular. So is. My grandmother or grandfather dash coming with me to the park. Is coming. Are. Or are is given here. Shimla and Manali dash popular towns in India. Are. Okay. Maths and English dash my favorite subjects. And means no choice. Both. A-R-E, are. Yes, I hope you all understood. Once again I am recalling. Is, whenever you use or are to combine a sentence, you use is, that is singular. A-R-E, are comes whenever the sentence is a plural. That is when we use and, we use are. When you use are, we use is. I-S, is. You can keep it in mind like this. Two letter. O-R-R is a two letter word. So is, I-S is also two letter word. You can keep like that. A and D and three letter word. A-R-E, are also three letter word. We are writing like this. Okay. You can have it as a tip. Next one. 4E activity. Observe the picture. Underline the linking words in the description below. Fill in the blanks with correct form of the action words. Write the answer to some questions using linking words. So first of all, we are going to underline the linking word in the descriptions below. Okay, there is a description given. We are going to underline the linking word. After that, fill in the blanks with correct form of the action word. After underlining, we are going to fill the dash with the action word. Write the answer to some question using linking word. Using the linking word, we will make the answer. Okay, first of all, underlining. Read the description. The rabbit family is on a picnic. The rabbit family is on a picnic. Meet Pa, Ma and baby rabbits, Coco and Poppy. Okay, so meet Pa. Who is Pa? Look at the picture. Yes, Pa, Ma and baby rabbits. This is Pa, Ma, baby rabbits. One rabbit is here, another rabbit is here. Okay. One rabbit name is Coco, another rabbit name is Poppy. Okay, here we are going to identify who is Coco and who is Poppy. First question. Before moving to the question, underline the linking word and. Here also and. What do you see in the picture? Ma, Pa and Coco. Yes, what will come? Is or are? Very good. Here you can identify the linking word and. So we are writing are. Are sitting on a blue mat. Coco is wearing a yellow t-shirt. So yellow t-shirt is Coco. So children, what Poppy was doing? Poppy is wearing an orange t-shirt and she is here. Okay, this is Poppy. They are enjoying a picnic together. This is the answer for this question. Kindly copy this answer or else you can write in your own words also. Can you identify any linking words in this sentence? Yes, here comes a linking word. Where is it? Here, and is a linking word. Let's move to the next question. Where is Poppy? What is she doing? So Poppy is hiding behind a bush and looking at her family. Can you see? She is Poppy. She is wearing an orange t-shirt. What was she doing? She is hiding and looking at her family. That is the answer for this question. Next one. Did I use any linking words in this sentence? Yes, and is a linking word. Who are the creatures flying around them? Shall we go and see who are the creatures flying around them? See, look here. 1, 2. 2 creatures are flying around them. Who are they? They are fairies. Who are they? They are fairies. The fairies, Chinny and Minnie, flying around the rabbit's family. So, rabbit family is sitting and having a picnic. They are eating a carrot and oranges. Chinny and Minnie flying around them. Is or are? What will come here? And is given. So is are will come. Can you identify? Yes. What does the rabbit family like to eat? Can you see in the picture what does the rabbit family like to eat? Look here. Carrot, orange. Okay, carrot and oranges. They like to eat carrot and oranges. Here also we have used and to combine these two words, carrots and oranges. So the and is the linking word used in the sentence. I hope you all understood. Next one. Think the linked activity. Read the instruction first, then do it as a home fun. Okay. On a weekend, what are the different activities that you do? This could be with your family or with your friends. You can write any activity you are doing with your friends or family members during the weekend. Weekend means Saturday and Sunday. Okay. Write 2 sentences on your own. Join them using and. An example is given. So they have given example sentences. By reading the examples, you make your own sentence. First of all, write 2 sentences separately, then combine the sentence, then join the sentence using the linking word. I go for swimming class. This is one example sentence. I go for music class. This is another example. How can we combine both the sentences? We can combine them using the linking word and. Why means you will be getting more time. You can go to swimming class and music class also. So let's move to the next one. You have to write one sentence here and another sentence here. 2 sentences. After writing them, use the linking word and. Combine the sentences using the linking word and. Write 2 more sentences on your own. Join them using are. Here also you have to write one sentence and here one sentence, but you have to combine that sentence using are. Okay. My family and I go out to the park. My family and I go out to the beach. So my family and I go out to the park or beach. We can't be there in both the places at the same time. Okay, so for that only we are using the choice. We are using the linking word are. Are gives us choices. Do you like doing the same things? Do you all like doing the same things? You, after completing this, you can ask your friends whether they also written the same answer or not, same activities or not. You can discuss. Okay, next one. This is the think back activity. This is the last activity of this part. Think back activity. Fill in the 2 linking words that you learnt in the empty boxes. First, fill 2 linking word you learned in the lesson, and then write sentences. Write one sentence as an example for each. I am going to give you one example. No need to copy the example. You write on your own. Okay. First linking word is and. And means what? Connects actions, words or sentences. Connects actions, words or sentence. If you want to connect the action, if you want to connect the words, if you want to connect the sentence, you use and. And if you want to make a choice, what will you write? After writing the sentence, let's see what another linking word is. I'm going to give you an example. I do my home fun and play. First I complete the home fun and then I play. Okay, this is the example sentence. You write your own sentence. Next one. Next linking word is R. O-R-R. R offers a choice between 2 options. Here connection is made. Here option, choice is made between 2 options. Okay. The sentence is I want chocolate or ice cream. This is my example sentence. I have given here option, choice. If you want both chocolate and ice cream, this sentence should come here. I want chocolate and ice cream, like that. If you are going to do home fun or otherwise you are going to play, any one action only you are going to do means you can write this sentence in this box. I do my home fun or play. Any one action you are going to do means you write it here. Okay, that is your wish. I hope you all understood, children. Kindly practice by writing more sentences using and are. Okay, thank you so much for listening. Thank you, children. Let's meet in the next part.